Hello everyone. In the earlier section, we had started discussing about carbon and its compound. And in that, we had discussed about occurrence of carbon, bonding in carbon, formation of covalent bonds, and formation of a very large number of carbon compounds. So today, we shall learn something more related to the chapter carbon and its compounds. Our first subtopic is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are compounds containing carbon and hydrogen atoms. These are two types. First one is saturated hydrocarbons, second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons having all single covalent bonds between the carbon atoms. Example, alkanes. Alkanes have all single covalent bonds between the carbon atoms and their names end with ANA, that is ane. Example, methane, that is CH4, and ethane, that is C2H6. Second type, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons having a double or triple covalent bond between the carbon atoms. Example, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes have a double covalent bond between two carbon atoms and their names end with ENE, that is ene. Example, ethene, C2H4 and propene, C3 and H6. Alkynes. Alkynes have a triple covalent bond between the two carbon atoms and their names end with YNE, that is ine. Example, ethyne and propyne. Ethyne is C2H2 and propyne is C3H4. Our next subtopic is isomerism. Carbon compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formulae are called isomers. This property is called isomerism. Example, butane, which is C4H10. It has two isomers. They are normal and isobutane. Second example is pentane, which is C5 and H12. It has three isomers. They are normal pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. Functional groups. An atom or a group of atoms which decides the properties of a carbon is called a functional group. First one is halide, halo group, which includes fluoride, chloride, bromide, etc. Example, CH3Cl, that is chloromethane, C2H5Br, that is bromoethane. Second one is alcohol, that is OH. The name ends with OL, all. Example, HCHO, that is methanol. Second one, CH3CHO, that is ethanol. The third one is carbonylic acid, that is COOH. The names ends with oic acid. Example, HCOOH is methanoic acid and CH3COOH is ethanoic acids. Next one is aldehyde, that is CHO. The names end with al. Example, HCHO, that is methanol. Next one, CH3CHO is ethanol. The fifth group is ketone. Ketone has CO. The names end with on. Example, CH3CO CH3 is propanol. CH3CO C2H5 is butanol. And the next subtopic is homologous series. Homologous series is a group of carbon compounds having similar structures, similar chemical properties, and whose successive members differ by a CH2 group. Example, alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. So with this, we conclude the part 2 of the lesson carbon and its compounds. We shall discuss more related to this in a next section. Thank you, students.